Hello students. Last class we had discussed from the election chapters kinds of elections and differences between direct and indirect elections. Today we will discuss types of elections and election commission. There are three types of elections: general election, midterm elections and by-election. Let's discuss about general elections. General election. The elections held to elect the members of the Lok Sabha after expiry of the normal term of 5 years are called as the general elections. Elections to some state legislative assemblies may be held along with the parliamentary elections. 2019 general election was held for the members of Lok Sabha along with some state legislative assemblies like Odisha, Andhra Pradesh. Let's know about midterm election. This type of election is held when a state legislative assembly or the Lok Sabha is dissolved before the completion of its full term, that is 5 years. The new house will normally have a full 5-year term. This election is called as the midterm election. Now we will discuss by-elections. When a seat falls vacant on account of death or resignation of the member of the state legislative assembly or member of parliament before completion of his or her term, to fill up this vacancy, the election which is held called as by-election. The person who is elected after the by-election, he or she will complete the remaining term. Now we will discuss composition of election commission. For a free and fair conduct of elections, our constitution has made detailed provisions in part 15, that is from article 324 to 329. Composition of election commission. Article 324. It deals with the composition of the election commission and other issues related to it. The election commission consists of Chief Election Commissioner and 2 election commissioner. The Chief Election Commissioner stands at the apex of the hierarchy of the Election Commission of India. From 1950 to 1989, the Election Commission was a single-member constitutional body. But after 1989, 2 more commissioners were appointed and the Chief Election Commissioner was designated as the chairman of the commission. Let's know who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner. The Chief Election Commissioner and the other commissioners are appointed by the President of India under the guidance of Prime Minister as per Article 74. The regional commissioners are also appointed by the President in consultation with the Election Commission of India. Let's know who is the current Chief Election Commissioner of India and other 2 commissioners of India. Chief Election Commissioners of India, Mr. Sunil Arora, and other 2 election commissioners are Mr. Ashok Lavasa and Mr. Sushil Chandra. Their term is for 6 years or up to the age of 65 years. Now a question for you. You find out who is the regional commissioners of Odisha. What does the election commission do? An election commission allot the symbols for the party. It prepares the ballots and photo identity cards. It scrutinizes the election expenses It also scrutinizes the nomination papers of the candidates. It also appoints the polling officers. The Election Commission fixes dates for the elections. Under the consultation with the government decides as to when the elections should be held. The Election Commission is to ensure free and fair elections. This is all about your election chapter.